Today I will show you how to pass over the 90 degrees edge First of all, remember to approach always with some connection. I have my edge protection in place. I have an entry, I have rope with a canvas protection, and I also have metallic edge protection. Okay, so I will put it in place. I prepare my over the edge rigging with 2 butterfly knots so that I could use them for my own safety. Now I could remove the fall arresting system. For now I still have my protection above the edge, and I will need to assemble the gears, my safety rope, the protection of the safety rope. Okay, and I will assemble like this. And lock it. Okay, as you can see, is over the edge. And now I will use my descender with the other rope. Okay. Don't forget to lock. Put your foot in the entry. And pass through the edge like this. Okay. Make sure you have the protection in place, and now you are able to remove the carabiner of your cowtail. Reassemble everything, remove the foot, and now replace the protection. And now I'm prepared to lower. See you.